How to fix Huawei Mate 70 Play Store not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and scroll down and click on apps. Now again click on apps and then scroll down and find Google Play Store. Now click on Google Play Store and then click on storage. Now here you can clear your Play Store cache and data. After clear your data and cache, then go back to your home screen and check your internet connection. For checking your internet connection, open any browser and search anything and check your internet connection. After checking your internet connection, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After you start your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.